Built by the Amish, we ship it nationwide. This is the one we call the Big Bertha 1.0. This one is only $79,000. I'm gonna film it for you real quick and show you exactly what you get for $79,000. And yeah, we can go from there, okay? It's a beautiful day out here in southern Indiana. Shout out Gen X, shout out baby boomers. Y'all know I'm a Gen Xer myself, 1979 classic car model. So if y'all are a boomer or a Gen Xer, show me some love and comment below so I know I got my people watching me in my age range, not just the young bucks. Comment what year you was born below. I'm a 1979 model, so show me some love and comment below. You got a green tin roof on this one, and then of course you got the green shutters to match, double pane vinyl windows, easy clean. All right, you got a 6-foot by 32-foot front covered porch. Got to have the welcome mat, right? Let me get that lined up. We've got a lot of people here today, so it's all misaligned. You got a beautiful screened in porch, and one of the things I want you to take note of is those beautiful handcrafted wooden screen doors. One on the front door and one on the screened in part over here. Isn't that beautiful? And again, it does come with the front swing. You'll notice up here we got some hinges, okay? And what these hinges are for is so that the top of the porch can fold down and the bottom of the porch can fold up. All these pieces here come out for transportation, and this screen system is panelized, so that all comes out and goes in the cabin. That way we can fold it down and transport it all over God's country here. Before we go inside, one of the things I want us to take note of here is this is a all wood cabin, meaning that the walls don't have insulation in them in the traditional sense. These are 4x6 southern yellow pine stacked one on top of the other all the way up. See what I'm saying? And oh no, we have some little birds that fell out. I thought the nest was up. It is up there, but look at this. Oh, the little birdies. They're hungry. Where's your mommy? The nest must have fallen out. Oh no. Little birdies are hungry. Oh, mommy's got to be around here somewhere. Look at them. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, that ain't right. That ain't safe. They're not safe down there. Got some, well, Lord, I hope it's, I can hear its mom somewhere around here. Well, let me go inside so the mom can come feed them real quick. Those birdies got to eat. They look hungry. Let me go inside real quick so mommy can come. Oh, there's mommy over there. I see mommy over there. Let me go inside real quick so she can come in and feed her babies. So when you walk inside, sorry about that, guys. I got distracted here. Poor little birdies. When you come inside the Big Bertha 3.0, you'll see we got 2 wood stoves here that we are now going to be offering the wood stoves. So here's a smaller one I call Buttercup and a bigger one I call Big Daddy. We actually have a third one. I haven't had a chance to set it up yet, but we will be setting that up soon and offering those on the website, but we'll talk about that another time. We do have a promotion going on. It's for the wood stove I don't have here now. It's the smallest one. If you order a Big Bertha, you do get a wood stove for free, the smallest one. So make sure all you got to do is mention this ad when you order your Big Bertha, and you will get a free wood stove. So don't forget about that promotion. That's a promotion we got going on right now. Let me timestamp this real quick because these videos do get old, but they stay uploaded. We are in June of 2026, okay? This is June of 2026. That way, the promotion is going through June. So as long as you call in June 2026 and mention, I want a free stove when I order my Big Bertha, we got you. Again, lots of natural light coming in here. Obviously, this is where your living room's gonna be. So you got the 2 windows in the doors, right? And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows here in the living room. So all kinds of natural light coming in. And of course you got those beautiful knotty pine floors. Again, up on the 2nd floor, you got 2 lofted bedrooms connected by the catwalk. Here's a catwalk and there's another bedroom. One of the things you'll notice is we closed off that bedroom with a door and a wall. But this bedroom, we kept it open just to show you guys, we can do it either way. We can close them both off. We can leave one open and close one off, or we can close them both off. It's up to you. You do have a built-in live edge table here with 4 stools. That's included. Now you can opt out of this if you don't like it, but most people do like this little table and leave it be. It's got the window there so y'all can eat your dinner and sip your drinks and look out the window. It does come with these beautiful handcrafted knotty pine kitchen cabinets. You see here at the end, you got a spot for your refrigerator. You got a spot here already cut out for your big farm sink with a window looking out front on your porch and out to your land. And then on this nook here, you got a spot for your regulation size stove, and then your microwave with the hood vent on top of it, okay? Again, beautiful handcrafted kitchen cabinets. And like I said, if you order it just like you see it here, it's only $79,900. Now let's say you want it fully turnkey. You want electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks, everything put into it, then it is $110,000 turnkey. And that's even including stove, refrigerator, microwave, and dishwasher in your kitchen. That's including your water heater. That's including your mini splits for heating and cooling, everything. Electric run throughout it, $110,000. Or another option you can do, a lot of people like doing is they'll say, hey, I want the cabin for $79,900 and electric, and then I'll do the rest. Well, we only charge $10,000 for the electric, so that'll be $89,900 for this cabin with electric, and then you can do your own mini splits, your own plumbing, and finish it up from there, okay? So we can sell it that way as well. This room here at the end is typically where people will put like a little pantry slash laundry room, okay? Pantry slash laundry room in here. And then over here, bedroom number 2, or sorry, door number 2, this is where they'll typically put a full bathroom. So tub, toilet, and sink. And then last but not least, door number 3, on that wall there is typically where they'll put their 200 amp electrical panel and keep the door secured. That way, that's typically where they'll put the electric. You do have a doggy door, is what I call it, underneath here for extra storage, underneath the steps. This is your back door. A lot of people will do a back porch off of the back to match the front porch. So that's an option as well. So keep that in mind. You are welcome to do that if you want. And again, look at them spindles going on up. And like I said, again, you look up and you got the catwalk connecting bedroom number 1 to bedroom number 2. Let's take you all up there. I'll stop halfway up right here and turn around and show you the catwalk. So again, here's your catwalk. 1 bedroom, we left the wall off of it. This one, we walled it off. And again, you can see the chinking, guys, which is that gray stuff in between the timber. That's what seals the cabin shut, to where when you're running your AC in the summer, your cold air stays in and your hot air stays out. And when you're running your wood stoves and your heat in the winter, your hot air stays in and your cold air stays out. Okay, and remember, wood has thermal mass. So the wood does act as an insulator on a real wood cabin. Okay, it does have thermal mass. Okay, you come upstairs and look at this. I always like to talk about my height when I'm on the 2nd floor. I am 6'6", almost 6'7". And when I'm up here, I don't got to bend over or nothing. All kinds of space up here. There's your back door. There's your front door to the cabin. Again, that's where we were just at with the live edge table. And you can see what we got here. The catwalk connecting bedroom number 1 to bedroom number 2. And again, like I said, if you want us to wall this off and privatize it, put a door on it, like we got that bedroom over there, we can do it, okay? This room is big enough as it is to accommodate a queen size bed or smaller, but we can also make it less catwalk and more room by extending the floor this way and shortening the catwalk if you want us to make the bedroom bigger and increase the square footage so you can put a king size bed, or you just want more livable space. So that's an option as well. Let me take you in bedroom number 2, which is the enclosed bedroom. And voila, let me close the door here so you can see what that looks like. Again, just a beautiful cabin, guys. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. This is the one we call the Big Bertha 1.0. Big Bertha 1.0. This one again is $79,000 as is, or $110,000 fully turnkey, plug and play, ready to go. Okay, beautiful day out here in Indiana, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. So one more walk through. Let's take you back downstairs. Look at these views up there. Isn't this cool? Kind of, it takes me back to when I was a kid building them tree houses back in the woods. You know what I'm saying? Except this is a super cool cabin. This is truly built by the old order Amish, the Yoders, and just a beautiful structure, guys. Again, wouldn't this look beautiful on your land? This is what it looks like on the flight down. And let's take you back downstairs, okay? So you walk downstairs, again, you look to the right, kitchenette area and all that. You look to the left, there's your living room. And just a beautiful setup. Let me do the money shot one last time of the outside of the cabin. Open this up. Again, this is what it looks like from the outside. Tell me that wouldn't look pretty on your land, right? Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty, guys? Absolutely. And remember too, if you want a different color shutters or different color roof, you don't want the hunter green, we got 20 different colors for you to choose from. Okay, I just sold one to a lady in California, and she wanted that Barbie pink roof and pink shutters, and she wanted her cabin all white. So imagine all this words brown white with a Barbie pink roof and color and a Barbie pink shutters. It was wild looking, but hey, that's what she wanted, that's what she paid us for, that's what she got. Okay, you come to us, you want what you want, we make sure it happens.